Hey, what's up guys, and welcome into this episode of Best of Luminar, a show where we take the best 7 photos that were shot in the field last week and then leveled up using Luminar 3 from Skylum software. Now, what is Skylum software? It's like a community of softwares that help photographers level up their photography quickly. Softwares like Luminar 3, Aurora HDR, and PhotoLeamer that help photographers quickly make professional edits and then get back out in the field and take more photos, which is what we all want as photographers anyways. Now, if you want to try out Luminar 3, there's a link below in the video description for you guys to check out, try out for free. And also, if you want to see your photos on the Skylum Instagram account and possibly in videos like these, follow at Skylum_global on Instagram, and when sharing your photos, use the hashtag MADEWITHLUMINAR, and you can have the possibility of seeing your photos on these countdowns. And we're gonna switch it up a little bit in future videos. So follow announcements on at Skylum_global on Instagram, and then also Skylum Facebook on Facebook, so you can share your photos with the community and get in on the future videos of what these are gonna look like, showing you how to use Luminar 3 and really improve your photography. Now, in this countdown, we're going with a theme here. We're going with epic mountains and rocks, and we have some epic locations on this list. Comment below throughout this video on some of your favorite things that you love about these photos, some of your favorite things you love about Luminar as well, and follow us and subscribe to this channel so you can see when your photos make it onto these countdowns and videos of Best of Luminar. Photo number 1 we're looking at from Vietnam, from photographer Kuma Sevic, and this photo is incredible. It's a Milky Way shot, almost a vertical Milky Way going up over the mountains here. And what's great about this is you have atmospheric conditions down in the valley, and you can use Luminar 3 to really like impact and increase the effectiveness of the white balance that you're shooting in. This is like a cooler, moody tone of blue tones within the photograph, and using Luminar 3 to elevate that mystique and that effect is a great way to show how to do this and how to do this really well in your post-processing to really level up those photos that you work so hard on in the field. Great job, Kuma. This is an incredible shot from Vietnam. Makes me want to go for sure. Photo number 2 is from Win Maxino from Japan, and this is just an amazing shot of Mount Fuji in Japan. Number 1, it's soft light, but the great thing about this is he's used the boats in the foreground to really like point you right at the mountain itself, and then using the reflection of the mountain to reduce the amount of negative space within this photo. Hey, how much do you like this photo? I mean, this is amazing. Comment below with what you love about most with this photo. Number 3 in the countdown is a shot from Oleg Rest, and this is a shot from Iceland at the Vesturhorn mountain. And what makes this great is it puts you within the frame. You have this tiny person with a bright yellow coat paired against the moody atmosphere of this photo. Really makes that person stand out and really helps your photo be elevated with your subject placement. Luminar 3 allows you to increase the saturations of those colors and helps that impact really amplify with your photography, and really helps you do that easily with your photography as well. Oleg is a pro. He knows what he's doing. He crushed this photo in Iceland. Photo number 4, we're sticking in Iceland with photographer Melzer, and this is from the infamous location of Kirkjufell. Look, my Icelandic's not great. I think it's Kirkjufell. The mood in this photo is incredible. Anytime you go to this location, it's going to be a fantastic shot, but I think Melzer has done a really good job of getting a unique perspective, getting down low and really shooting up at the mountain using some leading lines and foregrounds on the left side of the frame. It's a fantastic shot. Hey, if you want to see your photos on the Skylum Instagram account and on countdowns like these, follow at Skylum_global and use the hashtag MADEWITHLUMINAR when sharing. And also follow us on Facebook, the Skylum Facebook account, and watch announcements for the upcoming new versions of these videos, a new format for you guys to really share your photos, share them with the entire community, and then learn how to improve your photos using Luminar 3 and how to level those up even more, and what makes a great photo great and how to complement those. Also, comment below, what's your favorite photo of the countdown so far? It's been an epic list so far. I mean, we've gone all over the world. Iceland's always incredible. Let's get into photo number 5, which is from Ivan Kazarazov, and this is an epic shot of a mountain portrait. And mountain portraits are incredible, especially when you have atmosphere like he has in this. It's a moody blue tone shot. Again, Luminar 3 helps you increase and decrease the temperature of your tones in your photos and amplify those, but also the atmosphere in here. I'm getting a lot of contrast within this photo, sharing atmosphere around the mountain, really encircling it in great detail. This is a fantastic shot by Ivan. It makes me want to get out to the mountains and shoot mountain portraits just like this. Incredible work by Ivan. For photo number 6, we're skipping across the pond and we're going to Lofoten, Norway, and this is from Rita Sylvester. Incredible shot of Lofoten. This is a fantastic location, a famous location too, having this like enormous ocean, enormous mountains in the background, but you also have a great foreground here of the ocean waves kind of crashing on these rocks. What it looks like she's done here is added a lot of contrast and clarity to get a lot of that craggy detail. Great shot captured in the field. Great job amplifying the technique using Luminar 3 to make this photo incredible. Photo number 7 is from China. So we're going from Lofoten to China here. We're all over the world. And this is a Sinsum 2019 post and a repost by Oleg Ress, who we saw earlier in the countdown. And this is a shot from China. And what I love here about this shot is the color contrast. Blues and yellows and warm tones and cool tones. What I love about this is that shooting these types of tones in the field is easily amplified in Luminar 3, making your creative vision come to life. And that's what I love about Luminar 3 and the tools that you have at your fingertips as a photographer, taking amazing photographs and the work you shoot in the field into incredible works of art, being able to share them all over the world. Amazing list this week, guys. We had shots from all over the world of epic mountains and rocks. Again, follow us on Instagram at Skylum_global, and when sharing your photos, share with the hashtag #MadeWithLuminar. Also follow us on Facebook, Skylum Facebook, and you're gonna have updates of the new format of these videos and how you can share your photos with the world. So follow on Facebook as well, and then subscribe to this YouTube channel so you can see when your photos make the cut. Comment below, what was your favorite photo from this list? You have tons to choose from because they were all incredible photos. And then again, lastly, there's a link below to Luminar 3 for you guys to try out for free to see how you can make your creative vision come to life from the field to the world using Luminar 3. Hey, if you want to check out my channel, my name's David Johnson and I'm a professional outdoor photographer. You can follow the link below to my channel as well, where I show you how to improve your landscape photography with in-field and post-processing tools to help you level up your landscape photography. Hey guys, who's next? The more photos you share, the more chances you have of seeing your photos shared all over the globe with the Skylum community. Thanks so much, guys. Can't wait to get into the new format. Follow us on all of our platforms.